Hi guys, this is Vakas and look here what I've got. I've got two brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific blue color. Along with them, I've got two Apple Series 6 watches, Nike one. So today I'm going to open the boxes for these two new watches and these new phones. First of all, let me tell you something that I've traveled around 400 kilometers, even more than 400 kilometers to get these brand new phones from one of my friends. He was coming from Dubai, so I asked him to bring two phones for me. And previously I was using this Apple iPhone X. It was in space gray color, and my cousin Usman was using this Apple 7 Plus. So now we thought to upgrade our phones, and definitely as an Apple lover, our first choice was Apple, and we went for the top model, top of the line, which is the latest one, which is iPhone 12 Pro Max. So guys, here let's start with the box opening. First of all, let me open the first one for you guys. So look at the packing. They have got the brilliant packing. The box size is, it's pretty slim as compared to the boxes we had before. Man, can you get me that iPhone 7 box please? Let me compare it. Yeah, so here we have the 7 Plus box. If you can compare the sizes of the boxes, this one is almost half in the height. So the dimensions are, the length and width are pretty much same, but the height is, it's way too less. It's almost half of the size of the previous boxes. The reason of that size reduce is because they have removed the, the power adapter and all this. So let's proceed. Let's open the first box. The packing is so delicate and nice. I don't want to open them. I have waited for around 400 kilometers to reach back my home, and then I thought to open it along with you guys, so that you guys can have a look at how does they look. So let's open the first one. Start. Here we go. Wow. See how easily you can open this plastic wrap. So here's the one, guys, the premium look iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific blue color. So 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, amazing. Look at this. Look at the finish, look at the shine, look at the back color, the Pacific blue one. It's awesome, guys, it's awesome. Let me pick it up for you guys. And wow, the sides are so awesome. They look so neat and classy. Overall, the phone is giving a premium look, and the weight is also, it's like, seems like considerably heavy than the previous phones, like especially the iPhone X, but still you can say it's larger in size. That's why the weight will be more. Let us first compare the sizes of this phone with the iPhone X. So here I've got iPhone X, and you can see the size difference. Let me align this way for you guys. You can see the size difference between iPhone X and 12 Pro Max. The logo size is also bigger than this. In iPhone X they have some information written, like for the recycling, and the iPhone text is there, but in the 12 Pro Max there is no text, nothing is there, only the same matte shiny finish, not the matte finish, shiny finish Apple logo is there. So let us compare with this iPhone 7 Plus we have here. So overall size of the phone is same for both of the phones, but the key thing is here. You have to see the screen. The screen size for Apple iPhone 7 Plus is way too less, because it don't have the notch and the huge end-to-end display. But in 12 Pro Max, here you guys, here you can see, here we have the end-to-end screen, and I can see the notch is still there, but the screen is end-to-end, and it has a very premium look and very sharp edges. I can say that, let me compare the weight. The weight is way too heavy as compared to the 7 Plus. That can be one key issue, but doesn't matter if you have iPhone 12 Pro Max in your hand. The weight usually doesn't matter. You know, it does give you a premium look and good feel, premium feel. So you will enjoy. Look at the cameras on the back. I can see the upper one is smaller in size, the other two ones are a little bigger. And also we have a sensor here and a flash, and this phone is huge. I mean, this is the top of the line Apple have got, and it's beautiful. So we'll turn it on later. Let's move to the Apple Watch, and I'll open the Apple Watch for you. Then we'll set up these phones and you guys can have a look.